In this assignment, you will install the ceiling objects in each room of the building information model. You double-click on the finished floor 1 in the project browser under your floor plan views. We will start our installation with bedroom 1, which is here. So to install a ceiling object, you will go to the Architecture tab. In the Build panel of the Architecture tab, you will see the option for ceiling. In the Properties, you want to select a generic ceiling. In your ribbon, you should have a Modify Place Ceiling tab that is now active. In the Ceiling panel of that ribbon, you want to select Sketch Ceiling. In the Constraints section, for the level, you will install the ceiling on the Finish Ceiling 1. Since you are installing the ceiling on the Finish Ceiling 1 level, you will need to change the height offset from level to 0. The Finish Ceiling 1 is indicated by the bottom of the roof framing. The ceiling object will be attached to the bottom of the roof framing. This is why the ceiling object will be placed on the Finished Ceiling 1 level. In the Draw panel, you will click on the down arrow and you will select the Pick Walls option. When installing the ceiling objects, you will utilize the inside of the walls as the boundary for the ceiling object. You will take your cursor and you will click on the inside of the interior walls. I'll go down and select this wall, the inside of this wall, and this wall. So what you may see is the layout for the ceiling should be on the inside of the walls for this particular space. Then what we want to do is we want to create a corner here. So in the Modify section of the panel, you want to select the option that says Trim Extend to Corner. You are to select the vertical line for the ceiling layout and the horizontal line. That should create a corner inside of this room. We would do the same thing for the bottom left corner of this layout. So we will go back to the Trim Extend to Corner and select the vertical line and select the bottom horizontal line. Again, that should give you a nice corner. We will click on this vertical line and this horizontal line. So again, the ceiling layout should be on the inside of the space where you are going to install the ceiling. In your ribbon, up in the Mode panel, you will select the green check. While you are in the floor plan view, you will not be able to see the ceiling. What you will need to do is go to the View tab. In the Create panel, you will select 3D View. In order to see the ceiling, you will need to hide the roof objects. So to hide the roof object, you will just select the roof. Below your modeling area, you will select the eyeglasses and choose hide category. The reason why you want to hide the category is you will need to hide the main roof as well as the secondary roof. So you should be able to see your ceiling object that you installed in bedroom 1.